Welcome to Lavanya's computer classes. In this video, I will give the notes for operating systems unit 1 and unit 2 notes. Check it once. This is the just introduction. Introduction about operating systems, definition. Definition of an operating system. This is the operating system diagram. And these are the functions of operating systems: memory management, processor management, device management, file management, security, control over system performance, job accounting, error detecting aids, and coordination between other softwares and users. And now explaining of all the functions, working of memory management, how the operating system is working like a memory management. This is processor management. Device management. File management. And other important activities like security, control over system performance, job accounting, etc. Next, different types of operating systems. Batch operating system, time sharing operating system, so these are the distributed operating system, network operating systems, so these are all the different types of operating systems and some examples for network operating systems and advantages of network operating system, disadvantages also. This is real-time operating system. This is real-time operating system. Definition of real-time operating system. Take the pics and read all these questions. Hard real-time systems, soft real-time systems, then this is the structure of OS. Simple structure of OS. Here this is the structure of OS. MS-DOS structure. And advantages of simple structure. And disadvantages also there. So these are the disadvantages of simple structure of OS. This is layered structure of OS. This is the diagram of layered structure of OS. So what are the problems or disadvantages faced in simple structure? Those are everything is covered in layered structure. These are the advantages and disadvantages of layered structure of OS. Types of operating systems. Batch operating system, multi-programming operating system, multi-processing operating system, multitasking operating system, network operating system, real-time operating system, time sharing, distributed operating systems. These are the explanation of each and every operating systems. This is a diagrammatic representation. Advantages, disadvantages of batch operating system. These are the disadvantages. Next one is multi-programming operating system. Definitions, its advantages and disadvantages. Next, third one is multi-processing operating system. Definition, diagrammatic representation, advantages and disadvantages. Working of multiprocessor system. And in the multiprocessor system, different types also there. Those are symmetrical multiprocessing OS and asymmetrical multiprocessor operating system. Here these are the advantages. Increased reliability, increased throughput. These are the two advantages. And disadvantages. These are the disadvantages of multiprocessing OS. Next, multitasking operating systems. Diagrammatic representation. Definition. Types of multitasking. Advantages of multitasking, disadvantages of multitasking. Next one is network operating system. Types of networking operating systems: peer-to-peer system, client-server system. Advantages and disadvantages of network operating system. Next, real-time operating system. Definition, explanation of real-time operating system. Diagrammatic representation. Types of real-time operating systems: hard real-time operating system, soft real-time operating system, firm real-time operating systems. Similarly, advantages and disadvantages of real-time operating system. Time sharing operating system. Definition, advantages and disadvantages. These all are coming under types of operating system. Basic, fundamental, important question. This is the diagrammatic representation. These are the advantages, disadvantages of time sharing operating system. Next, distributed operating system. Definition of distributed operating system, advantages, disadvantages. Diagrammatic representation, distributed. Advantages, disadvantages. Next, functions or components of OS. The first also I gave memory management, processor management, device management, all the functions, and these are the explanation of all the functions. Memory management, processor management, device management, file management, other important activities like security, control over system performance, job accounting. And error detecting aid. So these all are the functions of operating system. System calls. For this system calls, I already prepared one video and I kept in my channel. Just check it once. That is also what is system call. Important question. Definition of system call. Diagrammatic representation. This is the nodes for system call. So these are the explanation of system calls. Now we go for what are the types of system calls. Process control, file management, device management system calls, information maintenance, communication. For communication we need some system calls, kernel, process. Next one is what are the services of operating system. Operating system services. Program execution, next IO operation, file system manipulation, communication, error detection, research allocation, accounting, protection. So these are the services of operating systems. Now unit 2. The unit 2 is process and CPU scheduling. So process control block. What is a process? Process control block. Definitions. Structure of process control block. This is the structure of process control block. And this is the explanation. Process state, process number, process counter, registers, list of open files, CPU scheduling information, memory management information, IO status information, accounting information, location of the process control block. Next one is thread. Definition of thread. thread definition, diagrammatic representation, single process with threads, 3 threads. This is the diagram for 3 threads. Here, difference between process and thread. What is the difference of process and thread? Process definitions and thread definitions and differences between these two. First difference, second difference, third difference. So these are the differences between process and a thread. Advantages of thread. Next short question is advantages of thread. These are the advantages. Disadvantages of thread. So this is the total notes about threads. What is thread? Differences between process and thread. Advantages, disadvantages. Next, kernel level threads. Many to many model. Here types of threads. There are different types of threads are there. User level threads. This is the diagrammatic representation of user level thread. Advantages, disadvantages. Kernel level thread. Advantages and disadvantages. These are the advantages. Disadvantages of kernel level thread. Multi-threading models. These are the multi-threading models. Many to many relation, many to one relationship, one to one relationship. This is the explanation. Many to many model. Many to many model. This is the diagrammatic representation. Many to one model. Diagrammatic representation of many to one model. One to one model explanation. Next one is difference between user level and kernel level thread. So these are the differences. differences between user level and kernel level thread. Next one is process stack diagram. These are the stages of process stack diagram: new, ready, running, waiting, exit. This is the diagram. Process state diagram. Explanation of each and every state: new, ready, running, waiting, exit. Important question. Cooperating process. Reasons for cooperating process: modularity, convenience, information sharing, computation speed up. Because of this, you are using cooperating process. Explanation of each and every features: modularity, information sharing, convenience, computations. Next, methods of cooperating process. Two methods of cooperating process are there. One is cooperating by sharing, cooperating by communication. This is the explanation of cooperating by sharing. This is for cooperating by communication. Next, IPC, inter-process communication. Diagrammatic representation of inter-process communication. Synchronization in IPC. Semaphores, mutual exclusion, barrier, spin lock. Semaphores also I have done one video that is also there in my playlist. Check it once. And these are the mutual exclusion, barrier, spin lock. Approaches to IPC. The different types of approaches are there in IPC. One is the pipe, socket, file, signal, shared memory, and managed queue. Explanation of each and every one. Pipe, each and everything, pipe. Socket, file, signals, shared memory, diagrammatic representation of shared memory, message queues, next, system call interface for process management. Now CPU scheduling algorithm, very important question. There are 5 different types of scheduling algorithms are there. Learn each and every algorithm. FCFS, first come first serve, shortest job first, shortest job next, priority scheduling, round robin scheduling algorithms. So all these 4 you have to read all the things with examples. Very important questions. FCFS with examples, all numerical examples. This is the example for first come first serve. If you need explanation of any of these topics, please keep comments on the comment section. Then I will prepare the videos for full explanation. Advantage and disadvantage of FCFS. Next one is shortest job next. Everything you have to explain with examples. This is the example for shortest job next. Advantages, disadvantages. Next, priority scheduling. Advantages and disadvantages. Next one is round robin algorithm. Example of round robin. Advantages and disadvantages of round robin algorithm. Different operations and processors. Process creation, process primitive, process blocking, process termination. Multiple process scheduling in OS. Multiple processor is more complex than single process systems. So these are the approaches to multiprocessing scheduling algorithms. Symmetric multiprocessing, symmetric scheduling with global queues, symmetric scheduling with pair queues, asymmetric multiprocessing, so these are the some topics in operating system. I will post this video now. Whenever we need any topic explanation, immediately keep some comments, keep some message in the comment section. Then I will prepare the videos. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.